The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good evening, friends, and welcome once again in this fantastic 5-day training on Tele, which is, we can say, heart of the accounting profession as a whole, not only a CA profession, but entire accounting profession, which is very large, very vast at since inceptions, and it's ever increasing uh, despite of this pandemic year and the COVID. Uh, Tele has launched Tele Prime, and we all are learning this. It's a fantastic effort by Tele as well, we can say, and it's Tele is serving from last so many years to the accounting profession, we can say, and all the accounting professional, the chartered accountant or accountant, they are taking the benefit of the Tele software as a whole. So today we have a CA and Rotarian, Vanna Dodia ma'am, expert in expert tele faculty, and ma'am is a very, we can say, a senior chartered accountant, more than 35 plus years of experience in the field of chartered accountant and the accounting profession, and particularly expertise in a tele. So we can say a technology woman. Ma'am has done so many sessions on tele, whether there is a pandemic or no pandemic. Ma'am has done so many sessions. Obviously, in pandemic, through webinar mode, ma'am has reached out more audience, and every corner of the country, we can say, uh, madam has reached out and given the benefit to attendees on tele aspect. Apart from that, madam is a very expertise in other areas of profession like forensic auditor. Ma'am is always uh, very helpful to the institute, to the profession, or wherever ma'am is. Like I know ma'am since Borivali Central Study Circle, CP Study Circle, when I become chartered accountant in the year 2011. So since then I know ma'am, and very active member of the study circle as well, and everywhere. Whether ma'am is associated with Bombay Chartered Accountant Society or actively involved any other places or any other forum without that. And now we have a second time on a Connect Easy platform as well. Ma'am is taking session. First, recently on Women's Day has taken the session, and now on Tele aspect. So we are very thankful to you, ma'am, for accepting our invitation and sharing your knowledge on our platform. We are sure that every participant will get the benefit of your knowledge, of your expertise, and the tele aspect of the your that you have learned and taken the benefit of the tele in so many years. Ma'am, you are really a role model for many women chartered accountant as well. I can say the effort you are putting in the profession through various forums is really commendable, ma'am. So we are welcoming ma'am once again. Friends would like to request all of you that do practice more and more. The 5 days is obviously not enough to learn the tele. You have to put your extra effort to learn the tele. Uh, 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 Watch the recording, what is available, what is we have already sent to you on your mail through Google Drive link. Check that and do practice more and more. We there is an announcement as well that we are coming up with few more webinar for the professional aspect. We are coming up with real estate representative practice in the real estate sector, which is focus on real estate aspect of the profession, and where you can represent as a chartered accountant or as a finance professional, basically cost accountant, company secretary, or an advocate. So kindly, if it's of your interest, your profession aspect, you can register that and take the benefit, or you can share with your professional friend as well. We are coming up with bank branch audit as well now. We are almost end of the March, and we all have will. Many chartered accountant has already got that statutory bank branch audit. So we will come up with that as well. We'll announce within a few days about that aspect as well. So it is if it again it's of your interest, you can enroll that as well. Uh, friends, you can our webinar at Carnegie, we always try for interactive webinars. Interactive in the sense that you can directly connect with the faculty and one-to-one question answer through chat box mode. In other webinar at other forum that may not be possible, but we always try for that betterment. Even if you even you can connect after the webinar as well. Like Vanna ma'am is very cooperative. You can and any all other faculty as well. You can directly connect with one-to-one basis whenever you require help from ma'am or any other speaker or faculty as well. So now would like to request ma'am to take the proceeding ahead for our today's session, and would like to request all the participants to take the maximum benefit by asking the question and making the webinar as possible as interactive. So over to you, Vanna ma'am.
So thank you, Virag, for kind introduction, and good evening to one and all. My only one query to Virag: is there someone will be there to answer me any questions I have? If somebody is listening to me or not, one person who can be receptive mode. Is that possibility there?
I am there only, ma'am. Okay. Otherwise, you can check in the question box. All will reply there only, ma'am.
Okay.
Whatever question you will be asked, they will reply by typing there.
Okay.
In the question tab.
Okay. So need be, I may call you out. Okay. Okay. So good to go. Participants are enjoying 2-day session and welcome to third session. And now, we all, I myself is a chartered accountant and working for profession, as the Virag said, for last so many years, qualified in the year 1998. So basically, prior to that, I was 10 years accountant. And since then, that time I was writing books of accounts manually. And then I learned Tally 4.5 was there. Then 5.4 came, then 6 came. 6 was not much welcome. 7.2 went for so long. Then Tally 9 came, and then Tally ERP 9 came. 8 was also there, but it was not so much popular. ERP 9 has settled for so many years. And then the moment we say change is constant and upgradation, and today is the era of technology. Mark my words, those who were in a technology industry was so much benefited. The COVID has made a different perspective towards watching the so many programs now we can conduct online, sitting at your home. Traveling is traveling time is saved, so human hours have been saved, and the conveyance expenses also saved. At the same time, you are getting the best of the best speaker at your doorstep, which would have been difficult to get. That time also, and energy and money also was more to be paid. So I think every things happened on this earth, we should find out opportunity. So one more thing, that I am also a motivational speaker, which is to be taken home. Here coming to Tally, my favorite dialogue is that कि life की balance sheet tally होनी चाहिए. हम जब मैन्युअली काम करते थे तो हमारा ट्रायल बैलेंस टैली होता है. When the trial balance used to tally, we were getting more happy. But now here, the name suggests data always debit credit is knocked off. Everything is readily available. So why there should be audit? So obviously somebody is doing data entry based on certain documents available to them, and the auditor will check the authenticity of the transaction as well as verification will be done. So any data which is open-ended, matlab, if you must have noted in some of the client place, when we go for an audit, or you yourself while using the Tally, when you start the Tally, gateway of Tally, when you press and you see the name of the company in the list and you click on the company's name, the company just opens without any lock and key. So is your information, your financial information is very important, very sensitive. So the priority is that first of all you should have a user control in your Tally. How you can have a user control? So the first of all, as Sandeep has already told you or taught you, you will be having what do you call? This is the Tally Prime screen, where you have a specified path to open, or you can select from the drive. If you press on drive, it will show whatever drives available for you to scroll through, and presuming that data has been migrated. If data has not been migrated, the Teleprime will prompt you the migration is required. So if I go to Z drive, which is my linked drive with this is the how I am toggling between. So File Explorer ke jaise you can use your data. You can use your Teleprime screen for just toggling between the data wherever you want the data has been saved. You can go to that particular folder and then you can open the data folder wherever you wanted it to be parked and checked. So today is 10th of March. So this is how I just traveled. So instead of that, there is a shortcut key, specify path. When you click on specify path, you are already there into the required folder. You can select from the browser, Control C and then Control V, pasting the data. So ultimately it is a ease of searching. And now we know Control C, Control V, both functions are working. And if you are so much used to Control C, then Control Alt V, so Control Alt V also will be working here. So if I go to 1213 and I press, so already username is there. So if I press username and password, it will allow me to get into the data. So now if I want to check, Alt F3 function key, your company name is there. Company, you have user, password, control. We wanted to first have a control, how the user have been created. So first of all, user and password, these are the already created roles, username, password. Then you can allow browser access. All of you must be knowing now, when you are not in the office, Tally should be working. I'm again repeating, Tally is working. In the office time, when you are out of the office or within the office also, a director need not to have access of Tally. They can just simply go to the web browser and then they can see the data reporting on the browser itself, on their laptop or their desktop, or when they are on a go, they can see on mobile also the certain reports which are handily available by the Tally. So browser access can be given from using this module. Just I will showcase you how you can see the data reporting on a browser. That also I will showcase. But prior to that, let's understand security control is prime important. To do the audit, security control should be in place. Because if I want to do audit and later on anybody changes, there is nobody is answerable unless I have specified who is going to do this data or who has changed the data. So prime importance for us is to know what a type of security is available in Tally. There is always a complaint. I don't want my data operator to see what others is doing. A will be doing only sales entry, B will be doing only purchase entry, and only the accounts head should have access to edit any voucher. So all that can be done when you define your users control. So this is list of user, how I will modify the user. Alt K company, I have a user roles. First is data entry. If I press data entry, these are the by default disallow following facility, and whatever allowance I have given, that will be allowed on the right side. That is how the user control have been defined. So these functionalities will not be available to the person, and these functionality will be available to the person. For your benefit, let us create one new user. Suppose I want to create somebody who can only do sales entry. I wanted to create one sales operator, sales data entry operator, sales data operator. or sales data entry person, whatever name you want to give, you can give sales entry only. This is how. So what I did was just control A करके नीचे आई. I just came down and then I'm just typing a new sales entry. So this is a new window will open. New name of security level is now sales entry. Now what are the use basic facility? So if I want to use from the given this option, you can select any of this. Say you are using data entry. For example, you starting with anything, whatever you want to do. And the best feature now they have introduced on account data entry is restricted. So ideally the user has to have against reference, new reference, or at least advanced. Something of that they need to do. Here set alter rules for print before save. You want to do yes, then you can do yes. So if he wants to print, then he can straight away print voucher before save. Allow the following voucher types. All voucher types. In any case, he is be authorized to do sales only. Before saving, I am allowing to print. So that he wants some approval, he can do that kind of exercise. Exclude on account from bill allocation. If you say yes, exclude new number from item allocation. Yes. Allow company to connect. Yes. It is connecting to the net so that web browser facility can be on. Here you restrict full access, whatever access you don't want to give them. Say accounting vouchers. I am disallowing. Disallow the following facility. Alter, voucher, bank allocation, or account master. I don't want them to create. For example, full access I am disallowing. For whatever things you don't want them to do, that you have to park here. That kind of things you will disallow that person to look into. जो भी whatever things you don't want them to see should be parked here. You can decide from these what I don't want them to look into. Then you will give full access. Say for sales voucher only I want that person to do. So sales I will allow. Full access to AMC sales. Full access to sales, excise sales. वो एक्साइज तो चला गया, अभी जीएसटी आ गया. You can create the voucher type GST sales, GST invoice, sales order. Obviously you will have to give access to that person. Then sales register if they want to see, and the payment received entry if that person only is doing. So I will give receipt also, and then I will save accept. So sales entry will be done. Then after once you create that kind of this thing, you will have to have users and password having that kind of access. So let's create one user salesperson. Security list is sales entry I want, and the name of the person is say ABC will do this work, and password is also say ABC. These people are not authorized to give allow access of browser because they have a restricted transaction. Now Alt F1 shut company, yes. So that feature is still there. You can remember those things. You can do that. Remembering that you can work on. Control V, path मेरा वहीं पे था. 12-13 we were there. Now हमने ये ABC बनाया है. Let's go through ABC. Can we see now on the screen only what kind of things are available to them? No balance sheet available. Restricted reports. Only whatever limited things they can see is only available to that person. So user control is a very important aspect we need to understand. Alt F1. I just wanted this is the way you can do it. So that is prima facie user control, security control is a full day seminar, webinar need to be done. I wanted to give you a glimpse of it. Make use of this menu available in the Tally. Coming back, we'll go with the administrative password, because that password, the day one master creation, he has shown you the owner password is never disclosed here. It is only on Control F3 company alteration screen it is used. Say alter company, here it is. You can see the control user access of company data. And enable tele audit features, obviously it has to be yes, because today is audit session. This is very important. You have to have that tools ready, then only you will know what is happening around you. You are not getting audio now. Is it clear? Security already level already in Tally, or we have to create? See, there is inbuilt 4 layers comes: data entry, owner, Tally.net user, Tally.net owner, and Tally auditor. These are the 5 levels comes by default in Tally. Rest you can create on your own. So that is up to us how we create. Okay. So coming back to this, now we have to see, okay, there was, first of all, I have shown you these are the users already created for our session. I wanted to, so there is a auditor, Tally.net auditor is given here, the access, browser access, remote access. See, you have to understand, you being a person who doesn't need to do audit, but still you can review your data, because this audit feature is available. So whatever your data operator is doing the work, owner can always check that authenticity. And you being the Tally.net owner or Tally.net user, every Tally license comes with the email address. That email address is your Tally.net user, and that you need to use here. Selection, while selection, there is Tally.net user. This is for single user license holder. I am giving you the idea. Single user license holder. Suppose somebody is having single user license, and I will add that single user license here. License key. License key always is your email address. Allow browser access, allow remote access, allow local TDL file, and end of the list. I have just now created now vmpinfotech11@gmail.com. Now, once I create that, I have to give connection to this company. There is a button called Online Access Connect. So I will press enter, and then this C will come. This C indicates that now this company is available to somebody who has the access right, can go and check that. And in F11, there should be online access, enable browser access for report. Yes, here also you have to make it yes. Otherwise, if it is no, and these also Tally.net services for remote access and synchronization, no, connect button ho gaya, though the other party will not get the access. You have to have this feature enabled. F11 is very important, and you need to understand that it has to be enabled. Otherwise, the other person will not able to see that. Are you getting me? Okay. So it is already enabled here. So now let us go and look on a browser can we get the access? That is one point I wanted to highlight. Another point, online access, contact details, value exists. Now company display name is National 12 by 13. Understand, here the company name is Sri Krishna Traders. So you have to, why I took you over here, okay, whatever company display name, what would have happened, would have just logged into the web browser and you would have searched Sri Krishna. But I have made company display name is National 1213. So on the browser, when I go to web browser, this name will be displayed over there. Connect company on loading. If you have the branch and head office access, or someone remote user is going to use your Tally and you don't want every time be dependent while the Tally is starting, you can make this yes. So once you make it yes, the moment you load the company or you start the company, connection button will auto run, and in background that person can access your data. So ideally we suggest, if you have not given access to only reliable person, you can keep this yes, else it should be on a request. It should be ideally on a request, so the user will be aware that someone is accessing the data without with your permission, without your knowledge nahi ho raha hai, it is with your permission, though the access was granted, but time when they are accessing, you will, every time you will never have that bird eye on that watchdog like kind of things. So it is always advisable कि if that you want minimum use hai, so there should be they should ask you when, so one person who is in the office will give the access, then that time only connect button has to be on, somebody has to on. And if you want to automate that process, okay, whenever I start my company and the third person whom I have given access can see any time wherever this company is on, then pressing enter press करने से वो yes हो जाएगा, enter press करोगे वो no हो जाएगा. It is a toggle key and control A. So now basic homework we have done. Let's go to browser and see. Here when you go tallysolutions.com, you will go to login. You have VMP Infotech login readily available. Then you have to go for customer and see National 1230 connected. You can see. Chat box में yes लिख सकते हैं ना? Is so I had an emergency, so tomorrow someone will take GST implementation. Don't worry about that. So here we go National 1213 and see the reports available to us. This is how the browser access anyone can do. Ledger vouchers, you can see ledger vouchers. Whatever ledgers you want to check, you can have check on the ledgers. Then you can now download the report in PDF as well as Excel module. If there is a transactions, here there is a menu. Here is the period. You can change the period also. So if I say go here and change the period, say April, 1st April. If there is a transactions, it will be displayed like this. You can download as Excel or as PDF. So it is a downloadable. So the person who want to send outstanding also can make use when he is out of the office and take benefit of Tally data on go. This is called web browser access. Are we happy with this kind of feature available? You can change report. I have that 3 buttons. Again change report, whatever you want to see from your day book, पूरा उस दिन का transactions, whichever date you want to see, you can check, change report. So your guys, when you are on moves, you are not in the office, your subordinates are really working or not, everything is, your access is available to you. Tally data is like porting, you are porting with you. You want to see the cash and bank balance, You can see the cash bank balance also while you are on a move. You can always check the period and see the closing balance accordingly. Are we getting? So this is what I wanted to show you कि web browser में आप access कर सकते हैं. It is just a view mode. There is no data entry, no corrections, and जो data आपके server में है वही आपको दिखेगा. Okay. Let's come back to Tally. So now then comes a remote access. What do you mean by remote access? In my own office, I'm using right now this PC. I can have another scenario or believe that another person in the next seat in their laptop can use this Tally. So single user can be also with browser access, two person can work. Data entry can be done. You have to have a access rights given to that person. So this is a one good tip I'm giving you. And moreover, remote access allows you to that person to do correction, modification, review reports, everything depending on the access rights given by the person who has user defined or controls defined. Okay, now we will come to another scenario. So Tally Prime we have to just open. Second Tally Prime. Here you can see select remote company. To select remote company, you will use your tally.net ID. It is with that Tally license. I said, tally.net user license. Single user is also tracking through tally.net user license. Browser access. I think I have entered that VMP infotech11 at gmail.com. And then that was the password, if I remember correctly. Okay. So can you see online companies there? And I can access that company. Okay. So here what I am able to see is limited things only again because restricted rights are given to tally.net users. You can't see the full screen. Whatever is available, you are not able to see here. If you have the better access, you can have a. Now, how better access can be defined is, again, I repeat, user role, whether tally.net user had a authority. See, data entry का ही उनको option दिया गया था. He was only authorized to. Now, if you go to tally.net auditor, उसको owner right has been given. So, when there is a owner right, if we log in through auditor login, so this is audit version, specially designed for CA. Right now, another company is online, which I can see. Users and passwords, tally.net auditor, I have been authorized, Control A. ओके ये कंपनी यहाँ पे आनी चाहिए. रिमोट यूजर, लॉग आउट, सिलेक्ट रिमोट कंपनी. यही है ना अपना पासवर्ड. users and password, tally.net user vvdncoca@yahoo.co.in. Yes. Auditor has a better authorities to get into. You can see balance sheet, profit and loss, stock summary, ratio analysis. These all need to be access should be available when you log in It can be in the sitting in the same premises, but with the next another laptop, another PC, so that the person who is working on a live data doesn't get disturbed. You don't need to do any desk. So when you do any desk, only one person can work at one time. So you are blocking the screen. So to get away with this, there is a remote access has been given. Right has been given, created. Are we getting now? National. So I wanted to show you that was the reason I wanted to show you, okay, your user ID. I mean, when you type the email address should be very correct, prominent. So then only it will catch. So now you can see two companies are online. When I press now National 1213, it is as good as replica of what we are watching in the this one. यहाँ पे जो देखो यहाँ connected for online access है, यहाँ पे this is I have logged in as a auditor. There is a time lag given here. Last login was 6:41 and then another login is 6:40. Remote login time 6:42, 12. So this just I have logged in, and here I can have a balance sheet. Everything is available on me to see, and I can do the audit. We will come to the audit in a minute. This is how user is. Till now, any queries you have, let's resolve that. Acha, you want to see again how do you access on a web? To use web browsing, is it necessary that server should be switched on? Yes, definitely. That is what I was telling. Okay, at office timing only web browser facility can be used. So your office timing is at 10 to 7. Somebody will be there in the office who has switched on the server. Tally also, Tally, that company in Tally should be on, and that connect button should be on, so that web browser access can be done. And just quick look, because someone has asked it. I have shown you this. First of all, understand remote access and browser access are two different things. So user and password में यहाँ पे देखो allow browser access, remote access through proper Tally email address which is registered. You can logged in, and authority should be there to get into that data. When you go to browser, you will be having what do you say, tallysolutions.com की website. You will go to login. Login. Suppose if I want to do with my another, see, I being CA browser access तो मुझे भी है ना. So let's explore that. And I log in. हाँ भाई. रिपोर्ट्स. यहाँ पे देखिए कंपनी कितनी सारी है, उसमें देखो नेशनल 2013 is connected. So I have been authorized to see so many, and they are on. So I can go straight away and check, because they all trust the chartered accountant, and being their auditor, they have given access and their company is connected है, तो आप you can go and see the transactions. But see कहाँ खुला है. This is my license number, and ये उनका license में खुला है उनका company. That's what you have to understand. So ours was National 1213, and here see access rights have been given. So balance sheet also you can see that another user when logged in, tally.net user, ये इतने सारे reports available नहीं थे. So browser access में भी limited access ही मिलेगा. जो access आपको tally में authorized है, same replica browser access में मिलेगा. Good to that person who has asked the question. So I could showcase कि there is a browser access में भी report restrictions है कि on the go मुझे किसको कुछ क्या दिखाना है उतना ही that person will have an access. Here I wanted to show balance sheet, P&L. Auditor will be obviously having access to the full data. Otherwise, they can't do the audit. So here is the fun. Basically, he can get all the data on go straight away. Getting? As replica 12743 आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आपका बैलेंस शीट 12743. It's a mirror image and this can be downloadable. और आप देखना है तो आप अंदर जाके ड्रिल डाउन भी कर सकते हैं. I just pressed on a deposit enter. So only once you get inside, you have to again click here and change report. Whatever you want to see, here I can go here and just click it. Again change report. Back button is not there. Change report में जाके आपको list of reports में जाके select करना है. Ledger outstandings. Again I go to select ledger, change report. Group reports भी है आपको जो चाहिए, group outstanding चाहिए. So debtors का outstanding चाहिए तो one go you will get. So this is how it works. I think my voice is, am I audible? Okay, fine. So good to go. And I think web we have cleared. No, I immediately said ना जयलक्ष्मी जी के fresh entry तो होना ही नहीं है, ये खाली display mode है. At least you can have the access to your live tele data when you are not using that machine. Single user वाले को भी advantage हो गया कि उसके boss को if he wants to see the data, he can see the data without disturbing him. You know, so it is a multitasking can be happen. No, you are doing sales entry, data entry चालू है. That person whatever wanted to see, किसी का phone आ गया तो that person can also review the report and remove the printout and do the needful whatever they want to do. So this is a practical live tip I am giving you how the functionality functions. So now let's close this. Let's close this. Let's close this. Let's come here to back to Tally. Now I will just log out because I just wanted to show you how actually remotely you can log in. So here we end this and here we go now. What is the user control हो गया आपका? User is important and they also have a password policy like Google. If you activate password policy, password strength you can define that numeric, alphanumeric, everything, password expiry. So there is a total control in place in Tally, which only we have to activate and we have to help the others. And please don't share your password. Why? Because who has done the data entry, that all you need. There is a module, display, statement of accounts. See, there is a Tally audit. So I press A. I can see voucher types. Which voucher types entered? So many vouchers have been entered. There is no alteration. Only alteration is there in one payment transactions. March में किसी ने alter किया है. तो मौलिन ने डाला था altered by admin and date के साथ आता है. पुराना क्या था वो तो समझेगा नहीं. But it is you have a trail of the transaction, which is very important. You can see masters, ledgers, कहाँ कैसे किया है, and then users. So which users have done how many entries? So in your company, which operator is doing how much work, which data entries, who is doing. So the separate person's name is there. There you have opened their name. Every company you should have a admin password will be with the owner, and this data entry account head, anyone is there, please create their separate user ID and password. So tracking will be easy. Who is doing how much work, responsibility can be defined. So that can be addressed having this kind of reports, Tally audit. And voucher type wise audit statistic, master wise audit statistic. ऐसे audit अगर किया रहेगा तो भी वो आपको यहाँ से मिलेगा. So this is just I wanted कि it is inbuilt in Tally. We are not using. Why? Because unless you put password while creating the company, security controls yes नहीं करोगे तो ये user वाला menu ही open नहीं होगा. So nobody was aware that it was existing there. I have never created. In the starting of the company, creation of a company only, I security control no कर दिया. तो ऑडिट भी नहीं दिखेगा और वो यूजर एंड पासवर्ड कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, रिमोट एक्सेस, anything will not work. How it will work if you have not enabled anything? So in Tally you have to remember features are there. I need to know whether I have enabled that feature or not. So cost center is always there, but I have enabled or not, that depends on F11 whether I ticked yes or no. Even in interest calculations, everything is available. So in particular ledger, if you have path in sundry debtors के, see they have defined इससे इतने interest आना चाहिए. So define मतलब control enter, you go inside and here it is activate interest calculation, yes, calculate interest transaction by transaction, yes लिखा है, और 18% calendar year लिखा गया है, debit balance only. So once it is specified, then you will have that report. If any pending amount is there, so 1st April to 19th May, 49 days, 18% interest has been charged. So you will say, how, why 49 days? It is my own question. ये ऊपर पीरियड तो 1st अप्रैल से 31st मार्च है. सो लेट्स सी F4 लेजर में जाके ग्लोबल ट्रेडर्स का लेजर देखेंगे, उसमें ट्रांजैक्शंस होगी, कितना ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ है, क्या है, दैट इफ वी कैन कम टू नो, वी विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट. यहाँ पे बिल वाइज डिटेल्स है, हम वाउचर डिटेल्स में जाएंगे. सो द मनी वाज रिसीव्ड ऑन 19th of May. So the calculation of interest has run from 1st April to 19th of May only. Understood? Here is right side, there is a change view. Here I went, bill wise details, it will show, now nothing is pending, so it will show nothing. We were in interest module and we have come here. So escape, and now this is interest calculation, ledger interest calculation module. And here go to function is also there. While viewing this report, again I can go and check the balance sheet also. So go to function is fantastic function. That report is intact and you can go back, come back. But previously what used to happen when you are doing the data entry, 5 items you already punched in and someone asked me the balance of XYZ ledger, either I have to save the voucher and get out of that voucher transaction, or I need to escape. So that all taken care. Go to is a very fantastic feature. Anytime you can go to shuffle, go here, there, do whatever you want to do, come back to that previous screen, So the scenarios are open. Alt tab की हमें आदत पड़ गई, तो the tab keys there working in another way around, you can say. So coming back to our main target, what I wanted to highlight you is this, that Tally has a inbuilt features of controls. Today we are talking from the auditor's point of view. So my data operator is doing some data punching. Am I able to judge what he's doing is correct or not? And that's why there are exception reports are available. You see, ledgers without email IDs. Nowadays, you want to send your email, you want to send your outstanding. That also can go. You want to send the ledger, that also can go. So straight away, when you click here, if ID is not there and I want to put the ID, I can just go here and put the mobile number, contact details, yes, everything, contact person, email. It will work as a telephone directory for you. And there is a push and pull mode. So yahan se directly when you say mail, email address will be picked up by Tally. So only thing is that we have to educate our client, customers or the data operator that please fill in the all details. SAP, they don't allow you unless you create master properly. Every details has to be keyed in. यहाँ पे क्या है, control is flexible in Tally. So with 5 details also you can save and go ahead. So that is what is happening. So you don't realize how important it is to have all transactions, all data entry should be properly done. Contact details can come there. Memorandum register. Memorandum is the voucher available for us. 1 second. Which is not entered into Tally. It is not parked into Tally. You can just have a look on that. Like I give some petty cash amount and I just don't want to write. The moment he will give me back, but somewhere I want to write down something I've given. My main books, I don't want to that entry to be parked. Then memorandum register can be utilized. Reversing journal is quarterly review reports होते हैं. So depreciation you pass the entry at the year end, but reversing journal on a particular date you pass the entry, and there will be a scenario created. So you can compare the P&L without reversing journal and with reversing journal. So you do reversing journal is, again, it is not posted into the ledger. It is on that particular date. A report can be created, generated, which will showcase you the differential scenario, differential difference in the profit once you do that entry. Optional vouchers, sometimes you put that entry, I'm not clear which head it should go, and then later on you can make it a current, like optional है, यहाँ पे आप regular कर सकते हो उसको. So it will then go to the main books of accounts. Till that time, it will not affect your cash account. And then again, I will make it optional. So memorandum and optional altogether same, only I also sometimes fail to understand. I need to still figure out why they have given two different this thing. Maybe some reason, logic will be there. If there are any cancelled vouchers, it can throw the dates. It is only one date. So if I want to have, अरे भाई चलने, हाँ, F2 period. So 1st April 12 to full year, let us check. No, nobody has deleted any voucher, cancelled. Post dated, पहले post PDC check देते हैं, तो वहां पे ये while entering the data you will make it PD post dated, so it will be thrown here. Negative ledgers, from auditor's point of view, these are the very important ledgers they will like to look into. What do you mean by negative ledgers? The nomenclature of that account is, say, debit balance. Cash should always be having positive balance, debit balance, and cash shows negative balance, so then it will be coming into this report. It will come in this report. Like Canara Bank account, I am just pressing Control Enter Y to see it was a bank account and I have to have a current asset. Current asset means a positive balance, matlab debit balance has to be there, and it is showing negative credit balance, so that's why it is coming under the negative ledger. This is how you have to understand. So these are the gray area. Immediately action is required. How sales promotion expense item coming as a credit balance. So selling and distribution expense है, आप जाइए ledger में check कीजिए what is happening. So being refund received towards cancellation of stall. But तो जब भी भेजा था, where was the debit, where it went. So maybe some other expense had, it would have been parked, and then while refund has come, it is parked in some different account head. So as an auditor, or as a you being a data operator reviewing your account head, you're reviewing the data of the juniors. As a senior manager, it becomes easier for you. So just look into negative ledgers. It will also give, not necessary there will be wrong, but the nomenclature is that X account has to have a debit balance, and showing the credit balance need to be looked into. Whether there is a gray area, there is a something which fussy or some wrong entry has been done, which I can overcome. Something of that sort. ये तो मुश्किल है, चाय एक बार पी सकता हूँ, हाँ वो मुश्किल है, हाँ बोलायचं आहे ना. त्याच्यानंतर नेगेटिव्ह स्टॉक असेल तर generally it is not allowed to be, so you can't have that, but you need to address to overdue receivables. All of us are very keen to know overdue receivable. This report will be faulty if bill by bill adjustment have not been done. Again I repeat, word of caution, this report can be faulty if your accountant, your data operator is not adjusting bill to bill payment received. Whenever they receive any payment, it should be adjusted bill to bill. यहाँ पे you have option aging method, aging by bill date, 180 days. वो statutory audit, when you have that company's outstanding 31st March, you need to have a debtors more than 180 days, less than 180 days. You cannot rely on this report. Again I repeat, subject to your accountant doing knocking off every payment against the receipts. How I can prove this report can be faulty? Total outstanding here is 4749. Let's write down somewhere. Control N. 4749470.75. I'm writing it down. Control N करके मैंने थोड़ा लिख लिया है. I am writing down. It is my dashboard. Okay. Why? And now straight away go to, यहाँ से escape तो करना ही नहीं है मुझे. I can go to, अरे मैंने escape मार दिया. Sorry. Adat, go to. So when go to, I will go to say balance sheet also or bills receivable, but I'll go to balance sheet, I'll go to current assets, I'll go to sundry debtors, and let's see what is sundry debtors is showing me. Control N 3404704.80 minus 56786.98. Correct? So my debtor is only 33 lakhs, but my outstanding receivable is 47 lakhs. Why? चैट बॉक्स में लिखो, तब तक मैं चाय पी लूं. Correct, correct, correct. On account entries because it is not knocked off, receipt not knocked off, bill to bill not adjusted. So all of you, you are understanding. So understand the importance of accountant doing the on account. They are not authorized to do on account, and that is why in user control now in Tally Prime they have given that you will not allow them to do on account entry. It's already 1 hour, na? So I can excuse myself for 1 minute, right? वो यस लिख सकते हो. ये थोड़ा मोनोटोनस हो जाता है ना वेबिनार में. वी कैन नॉट सी योर फेस. Hope it is interesting session, because I always say Tally is like an ocean. Whatever you do, however you do, there will be something new, you know. Even I like to give lecture. Why? Because when query comes na, then you realize, अरे यार ये तो मैंने ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं था. It can be like this, you know. Unless you are exposed to that kind of situation, you will never apply your mind, and you will also be surprised sometimes. Some silly questions comes, and then we come to know, अरे यार इसका ये भी मतलब हो सकता है. I mean, you can use it this way also. So always when we go to any webinar or hear to someone, you should be open with your eye. Mind should be open. Then only you will grab something. New things only come when we are open to receiving it. So, and then your mind should always work. You know, that is what. And machine, people are so worried. Artificial intelligence is coming. Accountant will be replaced. Everything is automated. Nothing doing. We have crores of populations. इतना वो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. I am very positive. We have some specific abilities which can never be replaced. We are analyticals. तो वो analytical वो करेगा तो वो analytical सही किया है कि नहीं किया है, उसके लिए again you will require someone to check ना. So we are there to check that software is working properly or not. So we will have to work like that. And ultimately people will require people. I don't know why people should be afraid. Maybe a competition is safe. That is there. We need to work on that. Standard of living or everything needs to be addressed. Tally, why Tally? Tally is very most of the SMEs using this software, and that's why a person who is just a graduate or even now in a curriculum of I was listening to them university courses also, there will be live session they will be having training session of Tally in colleges itself, webinar kind of thing. So before they just when they will qualify as a graduate, they will also have this working knowledge of of course, क्योंकि वो क्रेडिट साइड है ना, तो इधर आ जाएगा. क्रेडिटर्स वाला एक्चुअली इधर आना ही नहीं चाहिए. मैडम, इफ एनी एडवांस पेमेंट टू क्रेडिटर ऑल्सो इट कम्स अंडर रिसीवेबल, because Tally receivable implies from Tally's point of view whatever is debit shown outstanding. हेलो, नाउ इट इज ऑडिबल कि चला गया आवाज? कहाँ चला गया? हेलो, कोई ये कीधु? हाँ यार, ये मतलब दूर से आ रहा है क्या आवाज? मुझे लगा यहाँ से आ रहा है आवाज. आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट दिस माइक इज फंक्शनिंग. अच्छा अच्छा, गुड. Technology is taking us. E-commerce business, you can you can have a one module. See, e-commerce business, they give report. Amazon, Flipkart, एक्सेल शीट आती है, देन यू हैव जस्ट वन कस्टमाइज वो टूल होता है, दे कैन इंपोर्ट द होल डेटा फ्रॉम देयर टू हियर. Atish is right. Ledger created under debtor and advance received it will showing credit side only. This is extract payment 180 days. We know GST returns, input credit to be reversed. During the year, it is possible because that is ongoing. At the year end also, like at the year end, कौन सा 180 days से ज्यादा आउटस्टैंडिंग है वो मालूम पड़ेगा. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर तो वो नॉक ऑफ हो जाता है, तो कहां से मालूम पड़ेगा. सो मंथ ऑन मंथ हम कोई एक्सेल में एक्सपोर्ट करते रहे डेटा, और 180 डेज तो हर मंथ के कट ऑफ में मिलेगा ही ना अपने को डेटा. That is just a way around. My mind is thinking how we can extract, you know. Are we getting? So this was tea break. Commercial break bolte na, वैसे tea break हो गया. Okay. So the bottom line was that I always told you, sorry, our debtors report and outstanding receivable may not be the same. Sorry, क्या हो गया? उसको लगेगा. चाय के ऊपर पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए. अब क्या, ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट आर लाइकिंग मी एंड मे बी थिंकिंग अबाउट मी, तो बोलते ना कोई याद करता है तो हो जाता है. चलो, सो लेट्स एंजॉय द सेशन. आई ऑलवेज से कि जो भी आप काम करते हो ना, यू मस्ट एंजॉय दैट थिंग, अदरवाइज मजा नहीं आता है. काम करने का भी मजा नहीं आएगा, सीखने का भी मजा नहीं आएगा, और घर पे आप जाओगे तो भी बुरा बुरा ही रहता है दिमाग में. क्या पकाया, मैडम ने पकाया, किसने पकाया, गुड नोस, हु इज रेजिंग द हैंड. Any question? Where is my questions? I will see my questions. Prashant Kumar ji, thank you. How can we see specific customer made payment in how much days? There is a payment performance analysis report was there. If you can remember, just now when I was somewhere watching one particular debtors ledger, if you can recollect, good. ना इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ पूछते हैं तो अपना दिमाग भी चलना चालू हो जाता है. सपोज के देयर वाज समथिंग कॉल्ड पेमेंट परफॉर्मेंस. इफ आई गो टू हिंदुस्तान, हाँ इसमें कुछ पेमेंट है, यू नो, यू शुड गो टू दैट लेजर, देयर इज सम ट्रांजैक्शन इज देयर, ओके. एंड देयर वाज बेसिस ऑफ वैल्यू में क्या है, टाइप ऑफ वाउचर है, शो फॉरेक्स, इंक्लूड पोस्ट डेटेड, वो नहीं चाहिए. चेंज व्यू क्या है, मूवमेंट एनालिसिस है. मूवमेंट एनालिसिस में क्या मिलेगा, क्या कुछ टिम्बर, उससे क्या करने का है, सेल्स, उसमें एक्सेप्शन रिपोर्ट्स. मुझे ना लेजर पेमेंट परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस था अभी व्हेन वी वेंट ऑन अ वेब ब्राउजर ना, वहां पे था, इफ यू कैन रिकलेक्ट. और इतना सब नहीं समझ में आता है आपको टैली में, क्योंकि ये अभी नया आया है ना टैली. सो मॉड्यूल में कहीं पे भी अपने को समझ में नहीं आएगा ना, यहाँ जाके टाइप करने का पेमेंट. अच्छा, परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए ना मुझे, परफॉर्मेंस. ये अभी पीरियडिक पेमेंट है, लेजर पेमेंट परफॉर्मेंस. कैन वी गेट दैट? कॉस्ट सेंटर, लेजर आउटस्टैंडिंग, ये नहीं है. देयर वाज रिपोर्ट इन ERP 9 कि व्हाट वाज द पेमेंट परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ दैट क्लाइंट. एंड नहीं है ना, तो 5th सेशन में मैं फिर से आऊंगी ना, आई विल बी देयर. 5th session, there are question answer session we have kept in the end. Let me hunt for it. We will invest one more minutes in this. There was something, I remember in web browser we had seen payment performance analysis. एक minute. For periodic payments જ લઈ આવે છે. Analysis, analytical process, उसमें तो comparison आएगा. No, there was payment ledger per payment performance analysis. I'm unable to get it right now, but don't worry, it is there somewhere and we will get you for that in the next time. So I'll go to questions once again and then we'll go to I checked with analysis. How can see Tally on mobile? See, I said Tally solutions का web browser पे जाके भी देख सकते हैं. Or there is something called Bees Analyst. One software comes 3,600 for 2 years subscriptions. Very throwaway price, 4 rupees per day. So that you offline connect with me, I will guide you. So we have 40-50 minutes ना, and audit का पूरा सेशन मॉड्यूल बताना है मुझे आपको. So let's go on to the audit. Now मेरे पास तो see practical I will give you other tips also, so don't worry. Same way overdue payables था. यहाँ पे खाली एक मुझे आपको बताना था, एफेड लेजर वाइज भी आपको दिखता है यहाँ पे. तभी आपको ये देन यू कैन एक्सपोर्ट दिस टू एक्सेल एंड देन डू व्हाटएवर यू रिपोर्ट जैसे जैसे आपको करना है. सो दिस इज गुड. एंड एजिंग मेथड, एजिंग बाय बिल डेट, बाय ड्यू डेट, यहाँ पे जाके आप 30, 60, 90, 180 ऐसा आप डिफाइन कर सकते हो. इट विल गिव यू पर्टिकुलर लेजर में भी वो आपको दे रहा है. देखो लेजर वाइज भी. So there are so many reporting available which we need to use in day to day. Okay. And now comes to analysis and verification. What as the auditor you will do? Data analysis and voucher verification. Let's see what is there in data analysis. First of all, it is verification of chart of accounts. So what verification you will do? So accounts squared off during the year. These gives me an idea. Teaming and leading kuch hua hai ki nahi. These are these ledgers. If that form like now you know output weight or input weight. अभी GST हो जाएगा. Input GST, output GST. That you don't need to cross check because वहां पे वो नहीं होगा. But some account like अभी Ramesh loan. So 3 CD reports. Account squared up during the year. You need to write yes or no. So immediately that report is available to us. We can see from here only. And right side में show ledger button I clicked, it shows me. देखो transaction in cash immediately caught. Understood? Now it has become 10,000. Understood? वो तो आपको पता है Alt F12 filter मार के भी कैश में जाके भी आप चेक कर ही सकते हो any transaction more than 10,000. But it's okay. This is shortcut. At one go you will get all the transaction accounts squared up during the year. Then not at all used during the year. So just have a look at it, whether it was required to be used and why not used. Sub filters, ready-made available. Every month you can cross-check. Quarterly review reports आप check कर सकते हो. Only balances, no transactions. So here also you need to ask why outstanding for more than so much time. Air conditioner, obviously there will be no transaction, no addition. And if I want to ask them, I just press enter, on hold or verified. Ravi Traders. Okay. So why it is outstanding? That you need to cross check, comments, everything is available for you to now comment, verify, remove, verify, configuration. In configuration also so much information is already regrouped. Any account is done during the year, only balance. So these are the menus available now. Whichever type of exception, it is exception reporting. Ultimately, what they are trying to give you is that easy analysis of data. Are you getting? Let's click on regrouped. Nothing is regrouped in this. But if I load some company, then and only use only current year. So something is created in this year, you will have an idea that this client has come in this year only. Whatever type of expense had. These are the filters available. Usage depends on person to person. That is what I always say. So let's understand this is the verification of chart of accounts. Then comes same way stock items. Negative stock is there only one item which exception reports already they have thrown it. There is not used. 5 stock items which is not used only at all. Used only in current year. So the line items which has come in the current year you can come to know here. While watching this report, I remembered in 3CD we have to give that major 10 items, opening stock, transaction, and I know all of you must be knowing that report कैसे generate होता है. वो stock register में जाके आप निकाल सकते हो. Stock register में direct जाना है तो मैं यहाँ पे stock summary में जाते हैं ना हम लोग. स्टॉक समरी, एंड यहाँ पे तो ऑलरेडी ग्रुप वाइज अलग अलग है. सो F12 यहाँ पे आप यस करके पूरा रिपोर्ट, यू कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट द फुल रिपोर्ट. यस यस यस, मतलब opening transactions inward, outward, and then control A. So this how it will. So आप broad group wise ही bifurcation देना चाहते हो तो दे सकते हो. And mark my words, value on the debit side 2 crore 58, तो purchase के साथ मैच होता है कि नहीं, वो क्रॉस वेरिफिकेशन एज ऑडिटर यू कैन ऑलवेज डू. सेल्स 346 should match with the sales side, you know. So if before GST figure it is, the figure is here, it should be like that only. Some people have inclusive method till today, so there it will be little difficult, but otherwise most of the company has now started using exclusive method. So there we are happy. Before GST figure, here it comes. Track the additional expense. Sometimes, you know, you charge freight outward. So when you are entering data entry in Tally, सेल्स का हम सबको डेटा एंट्री मालूम है. सेल्स का एंट्री, whenever we do sales entry, we'll have one item, first item quantity, rate, and then the amount. So 5 items put together, and then there will be a freight expenses. So how this report will give us the track additional cost करके कुछ मॉड्यूल है, वो इन्वेंट्री में the next person like Puneet may be guiding you all. So just put a query, remember the query and ask Puneet sir. Okay. So coming to next, verification of balances. I always try to see there that this allows me or not. See, compare company, and where is the company path. Control V है नहीं है अपने पास. So हमें वापस जाके ऑडिटर डेटा में यहाँ पे कंट्रोल C करना है, यहाँ बैक करके कंट्रोल V करना है, एंटर करना है, और ये 11-12 को उठाना है. So when I bring that company, Shri Krishna Traders 1213, and whether it is showing me any variance, balance variance. On a right hand side, I have clicked on a balance variance. So what was previously happening, no, in the Tele ERP9, only chart of balance verification means item of balance sheet was only coming. Nowadays, here what is coming? Full. ये देखो टेलीफोन एक्सपेंस also coming. Not only opening balance, rest of the things also comparisons. Though throughout जितनी transactions है, having closing balance gets at one place parked for you to cross check. Simpliciter, you can always export this in Excel, and last year your Excel linkage we look up and you can check the balances. Are we getting any query? I need to check any questions coming in. Okay, so till now no questions. Are you with me? मुझे भूल के कहीं चले मत जाना भाई. Okay, compare company, not much impressive because it is just giving me variance balance. चालेल. नंतर येणार आहे का? जाणार. This is my favorite topic, analytical process. As a chartered accountant, we all like to do the data analysis. That's what we are looking at, correct? Group to group. And see, once I click on a group, it allows me to select the base group. So base groups, let's say sales. अभी यहाँ पे local sales भी है, तो अपन sales account ले लेते हैं. Now you have a compare with group. Initially, let's do with direct expense. And now see current period from, and it is dodgling. Dodgling means you can have month on month, you can have quarter on quarter, you can define the period. So use this module for your every quarterly or monthly review. That is my tip. Okay. So here it is by default. Right now we are doing comparatives of previous year with current year. Straight away it will come with certain variances, if any. It is a food for thought. The carriage inwards was 679 last year, and this year it is only 102. So why? So 14 lakhs was your sales and it has been reduced. Reduce हुआ है? नहीं, expense है. I'm so sorry. यहाँ पे तो अपना बढ़ा है ना, 14% बढ़ा है, sales बढ़ा है. So when the sales has increased, carriage inwards has reduced. So maybe the closing stock would have been higher and there is no new purchase has come in, something of that sort. So let's have another analysis. So advanced comparison is there. So may I go with some new group? So purchase accounts I can compare. Again, I can compare with, say, indirect expense. So this is new additional element, as compare element can be added. So indirect expenses, if there is a variance, it will show you. Advertising expense has increased this year. Immediate, you will come to know. Whenever you open these kind of reports, you will have an idea which has what expenses have risen. AMC was there last year, why it is not there, or it is parked in the new ledger head. You will come to know. So this is first hand analysis. When you open the data, you will immediately have the idea. Now your electricity charges office, last year 58,000, this year 135. So you will just press enter and like to see. See, now you see the transactions. There is some ambiguity I can see over consistently 5,000, 6,000 is this. Something has been wrongly parked because 75,000 is a capital expenditure. So what I must have done, press enter. Then I will ask for external clarification. It is a capital expenditure removed from revenue expense. And these are the list of the people from whom you can get the answer. So you will update the account head ke bhai isko change karo. Whatever you want to do, kindly do it. You get my point? So auditor has to press enter and put that comments. It will go to that person. Person will check and do the needful. वहाँ पे verification note. So as an auditor, now working papers module has gone in ERP 9. There is a working paper module. What I can advise you, after you finish the whole auditing, total data, export from here and put it into Excel for your future reference with these all notes, which will help you that you have actually carried out the audit. This is my humble suggestion. Okay. So this is how we could come to know immediately with the analysis. Cost center to cost center comparison, group to group comparison, ledger to ledger comparison, all comparisons. You can use this module. We used to do, P&L में जाके alt C करके last year का देख के compare करते ही है. Percentile difference. But वहाँ पे I think variance with percentage probably नहीं आता है. आता भी होगा तो मैंने explore नहीं किया होगा. So that way, I told you, Tally is an ocean. The more you do, more हीरे मोती सब मिलेंगे. हमें सिर्फ काम करते रहना है और प्रोडक्टिव काम करना है. So ये हो गया हमारा comparative chart. Hope people are enjoying this analytical process. Pending documents. What do you mean by pending documents? Pending receivables. And out of that, on account vouchers ही यहाँ से ही मिलेगा, on account vouchers. So you can ask that guy why this is on account. Straight away you can ask your accountant to make it proper. Getting my point? So then your aging analysis will throw the right reports. Here tallies see pending receivable summary and creditors में receivable है तो Tally is highlighting with the red colors. So that is another good feature of Tally, is throwing the what do you can say? You need to have Tally is good and throwing the light. Red में वो बता रही है आपको. Are we getting? Okay, audio again going and coming. कहाँ से ऑडियो का इश्यू फिर से आ गया? हेलो, नाउ ऑडिबल? क्योंकि मैं बोले जाऊं और सामने पता ही नहीं चल रहा है तो वो तो क्राइम हो जाएगा भाई.
मैम ऑडिबल प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
ओके, चलो कोई तो सामने से रेसिप्रोकेट आवे ने तो सारू लागे. तो देयर वाज अ चैट बॉक्स वाज टेलिंग कि यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल फ्रॉम 721. So this was the interesting net pending receivable. Similarly, in creditors also, payables also, if debtors will be there, it will show you in a red marks. And on account vouchers also, they will throw you the information which you need to clear. See, there are 3 vouchers which is on account. I've just pressed enter on that. So you will drop down will show you. Okay. So here comes the auditor's work. You can see remotely also these reports and educate them. Please do the needful. So you can have an email shoot to them. Do this. Take a screen snapshot of this and send them. So it is how you can automate your work. What do you mean by periodic payment and receipts? Some like just the electricity expenses were there. So you can define your periodic payments and it will define that 12 transactions in a year will be there. I have already created this. So you will say how this is created. Go to master configuration. Here is periodic payments and receipts. You click on periodic payments. You go here, say any expense for that matter कि each month अगर conveyance का bill आपका fix है, conveyance charges monthly it is going, periodic payment है, every month every week I am paying electricity charges. I can press space bar and update. On the right side there is a button update. I will click on update. So it will say yes over here. Here I have already selected electricity charges go down, electricity charges office. Then it goes on to any salary go down, rent is there, वो monthly जाएगा. So you will update it. Yes. Space bar से select करना है और बाद में उसको update बटन को click करना है. Something which you find which is regular can be kept here. Even office rent monthly outgo will be there. So whatever is your monthly outgo, you can define. Like salary is also monthly outgo. So some of the ledgers periodic you can define and then you can see the reports. So if conveyance is, and here last year and current year both, because I have selected that company, it is showing me last year as well as current year and the comparisons. And 12 transactions that we know, okay, one generator transaction is there in that's why 79,000. So there are 13 transactions. So idea behind this is that Tally is helping you to have basic controls in place. So if you have defined periodic payments and suppose you are doing quarterly, so there should be only 3 transactions. Then you go 6 monthly, 2 quarters, only 6 entries should be there. So that will give you an idea and insight if something is going wrong. Additional entry coming here, not required to be coming here. Then there is a repeated transactions. It also, this is a one kind of filter which gives you an idea. Okay, here in these accounts, repeat, same transaction is repeated for how many times? 1 lakh is for 18 times. Same amount of voucher are there. So sometime, you know, previously we used to do कि वो बाद में एक साथ में पूरे साल का एंट्री कर देता है conveyance expense. He'll do same amount, which is not the case sometimes. See, genuinely you have spent the money. Without conveyance, no company can run nowadays. So there has to be, you know, कभी इस मंथ में, हाँ वो अलग बात है कि हमारा कोटा ही है कि my person is going wherever I will give 600 per month or 800 per month only. फिर ऊपर का जो भी खर्चा हुआ that is that look there look out. I will pay 800. Standard, if it is there is a policy, then it's okay. Otherwise, so these are the ways and means by which Tally is giving you an idea. Now it's up to you how you analyze and get the answer for your questions. It is showing you some report where the standard amount has been utilized. So repeated transaction. RSF, very important. How many of you know relative size factor? This is Excel and forensic is what is using very, very prominently, you can say, in their day-to-day analysis. So, what you mean by relative size factor is that in any ledger, there is there is say more than one transaction. The first highest transaction and the next highest transaction differential, if it is more than 2 or say more than 2, it needs your attention. Not necessarily there will be an issue, but that gives you an insight. Okay, you can view that ledger. There is some ambiguity, is probabilities will be there. Probability. It is a probability. My transactions are different. See, 95,20,000. I can see the अभी narration है ही नहीं, so you can call for the bill. Narration है ही नहीं, so when there is no narration, you will press enter. External clarification, get the voucher. Whatever. For narration not entered. So you will ask it from, say, whosoever is there, accountant or anyone. So this is how the auditor can raise the query wherever he has a doubt, he or she. So she can always, while going through this account, can get an idea, feel what is happening. हाईएस्ट दिसंबर में उनको लगा है, देखो 35,000 इंटरेस्ट. सो क्या वो इंटरेस्ट ही है या रिन्यूअल फीस है? यू नो देयर कैन बी पॉसिबिलिटी सम यहाँ पे ऑडी का ही लगा है, लेकिन वेदर दैट वाज ऑडी वाज देयर और नॉट, दैट इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेशन रिपोर्ट वी कैन ऑलवेज चेक. सो क्रॉस चेकिंग, क्रॉस टैलिंग, everything is possible when you just take out this RSF report. मैंने वो 1 वाला क्यों दिखाया? सो आइडियली आइडेंटिकल फिगर्स विल बी देयर. पीटी तो हर मंथ में जो इतना सैलरी पैकेज है वो कट रहा है, सो इट विल बी मोर ओवर ऑन द सेम लाइन अनलेस दैट फेब्रुअरी मंथ थोड़ा सा जागा रहता है, बाकी तो सब सेम ही रहेगा. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन हैव द एनालिसिस एंड you can frame your opinions based on that, or you can instruct your articles. These are the 10 ledgers you really probe into. So seniors can verify all this data and then ask juniors to get the exact data corrections or data answers for their queries raised. Interbank transactions. So whenever there is a transaction between, nowadays everything is a real time this thing. So whenever you issue a check, how fast it gets cleared, and there is if a number of days delayed, this report is created from that point of view. If there is a delay, need to be checked why there is a lag. So here it is cleared same day transfer, so there is no bank date is there. You can see bank date is on a same date. So far so good. Cash withdrawals or deposit to the bank, if the person is withdrawing and not depositing on the same day, needs an explanations. तो अगर उन्होंने 1 जून का इंस्ट्रूमेंट लिया था तो 2 दिन के बाद क्यों वो ट्रांजैक्शन हुई है? सो यहाँ पे तो विड्रॉल हुआ है. कैश हैज कम टू द आवर किटी. व्हेन कैश वी हैव गिवन आवर स्टाफ टू डिपॉजिट इनटू द बैंक, इट शुड बी ऑन द सेम डे. विड्रॉल्स आज दिया, कल वो गया होगा, नहीं मिला होगा, दैट इज फाइन, नथिंग, यू कांट डू help it out. Maybe bank were closed. I just issued a check on Saturday. Saturday was bank holiday. Sunday was bank holiday. Monday he has withdrawn. So that's not an issue. But I give you cash and you don't deposit. There has to be an explanation. Machine not working. Sometimes nowadays people put in a machine also. So there has to be an explanation. So these kind of report is there in Tally, provided that bank debt is clearly done. So auto bank reconciliation, I don't know, but someone must have addressed to in our this thing. Now fixed asset analysis, very important module also given here. Alt F1 I do. I get the any addition or transaction during the year. It will tell me how many days. So there is one transactions addition is there on a last date 30th March. So if I press Control Enter, I'll take the information from here. So my furniture and fixture was credited. There is a loss on account of fire, insurance claim, whatever. So there is some deductions from that particular account, and this account accumulated depreciation has been debited. So that was the addition during the year. So from here only, see what happens if you go to the balance sheet and fixed assets. There will be n number of transactions. It is little difficult, but this report gives you line items also. Addition during the year with the days and periods and everything is available to you. So this makes more sense when you are doing the audit and fixed asset analysis becomes easier. Say for that matter, computer and peripherals, if I want one transaction to be done, I want to create one voucher. Say I bring to books one F2 date, समझो 6th of September, and computer. I have purchased computers and peripherals, say 15,000. वैट बैट जो भी है वो अभी हम नहीं लगा रहे हैं. फ्रॉम एबीसी, जो भी कोई कंपनी होनी चाहिए, कोई प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है अपने पास, सैमसंग से लिया फॉर एग्जांपल. न्यू रेफरेंस, जो भी बिल नंबर है मैंने डाल दिया. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, 207 days वो कैलकुलेट करके मुझे दे रहा है. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू अ ग्लिम्स. इफ देयर वुड हैव बीन ट्रांजैक्शंस, यू विल गेट द रिपोर्ट्स, एडिशन एज वेल एज डिलीशंस, डेज. देखो मुझे कुछ कैलकुलेट नहीं करना पड़ा है, टैली खुद लेके आ गया है. सो फॉर अस इट बिकम्स डे वाइज एनालिसिस करना है, पुट टू यूज एवरीथिंग दैट इज हियर. सो आई थिंक दिस विल मेक सेंस. We have covered periodic payments and receipts, and RSF also done. Master configuration, there are three kinds. Periodic payments, related party. Related party, all of us know, tax audit, any expenses made to related party need to be reported. So we have to ask our client to define who is the related party for them. I go to related party. So it will throw you the ledgers in which is there any related party. So I go here, say ANS Tech. So spacebar selection, update, and then is a related party, say yes. So brother is the proprietor. You can mention here. Okay. So this is how they can track them. And if any transaction expense is done, majorly we have to disclose the expenses done through that particular related party need to be reported. So any expenses done through them need to be reported. So that all you can ask your client to define. Fixed asset हो गया. Transaction on holiday, gray area, again matter of concern. If the company was on that day, fine enough. Not why the person is putting the vouchers on the weekly off day. So how this weekly off has been defined is, you can have a holiday configuration. See, there is a button on the right side. Say Sunday is a weekly off, and then we have predefined dates. So now 1st April 21 will come. In the start of the year only you can define which will be your holidays list for the company. So that many days there won't be any transaction into the at least your company working on a holiday. There was exigencies, there is a clear-cut instructions. Yes, we have to work. Then it is okay whether it is authorized to work on that day. So that gives you an internal control, internal trail checking. Understood? So any transaction done on the holiday need to be approved. There has to be a genuine reason why they worked on a holiday. Then comes highest and lowest value transactions. I'm telling you, this is the internal menu available within Tally. Nothing I'm doing. It is there. It was there always. We were never using it. This is also a kind of filter reporting. In that account, maximum highest जो हुआ है या lowest transactions happened in that particular account, should all kind of filters are in place. What is happening here? Purchase किया है, payment किया है. It should be look. You have to as an auditor just have a feel. Transactions proper हो रहे हैं कि नहीं. अब तो now तो e-way bill has also come. So that justifies whether transaction is happening or not. So you need to cross check e-way bills are there or not. So basically this. And why pending advance, वो तो मुझे आज तक समझ में नहीं आया. But it is some report they are showing you कि कोई advance दिया था वो अभी भी खड़ा है. तो एक तो from GST point of view I think कि advance हमें आता है तो हमें, if I am in a service industry I have to prepare a bill. एंड हमने किसी को एडवांस दिया तो वहां से कोई बिल आना बाकी है, नॉक ऑफ नहीं हुआ है, तो वो तो अगर मैंने एडवांस दिया भी होगा तो मैंने डेटर्स में पार्क किया होगा. तो व्हाई दिस दिस रिपोर्ट्स, मुझे खुद को इसका the benefit I am not able to derive out of it as an auditor. I'm just sharing with you. May someone can throw light कि what can be the better, मतलब why they must have kept it. कोई तो कुछ तो reason होता है ना when you populate it under the audit. Staff को advance दिया है, that reporting here from here you can get. In between there was something loan if you give to the staff, then rate of interest. From income tax point of view maybe they want this. वो तो मुझे बैलेंस शीट से भी मैं देख सकता हूँ, बट व्हाई दे हैव केप्ट इट हियर, देयर विल बी सम रीजनिंग. इफ समवन कैन एनहांस माय नॉलेज आई विल वेलकम दैट पर्सन टू थ्रो लाइट. If any clarifications we are asking to accountant here, then we'll get that query in his mail registered. No. How he has to see, I will now go to that particular module and show you. And security level already in Tally there are 3, वो तो हमने पहले ही बता दिया था, 3 to 4 inbuilt है. And depreciation calculation is not available automatic in Tally. That exercise we have to do. We'll have to pass that entry. कुछ तो हमें करना पड़ेगा ना. We have to do that. Okay. So now I'll come back. Still checks, अभी checks का तो जमाना ही गया है. Everyone is using online transfer payments. So ideally, but कभी पुराने जमाने में कोई चेक की बुक में कोई पढ़ा है, उसका इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ से मिल सकता है. इन बैंक अगर ऑटो बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन आप लेते हो तो वहां पे ना चेक बुक भी डिफाइन कर सकते हो. तो टैली हैज दैट इनबिल्ट मैकेनिज्म. वन चेक यू हैव इशूड, so next payment transaction when you do the chronological header, next check number वो खुद ही लेके आता है. So I will advise all the participants to please use auto banking module of the Tally for at least check printing and deposit slip. And before I forget, master configuration, there was a third line item, sampling method. This is very important. As an auditor, I can't check 100%. It's not expected of me. So if I see there are different methods available to me when I go for a sampling method, how I can define. So AMC sales, if I press enter, these are the sampling methods available. You can have all vouchers check. You can have an amount range. What do you mean by amount range? So any vouchers more than say 25,000, or I can have a 50,000. Depending on the size of that customer, we can define. You will see an idea and then you can define a sample. Then for say commercial invoice, I want to have a Benford analysis, positive. Then for credit note, I may check all vouchers, why credit note has been given. Okay. Debit note, I also want to see why it is given to me, whatever reasons, Excise purchase, I want even number vouchers. Starting vouchers number say 1. Even matlab 2. 2 आना चाहिए था. Even number. 2 से start करेगा. It will now show me 2, 4, 6 ऐसा. Basically. And excise sales, I can take odd number vouchers. Okay. I don't have the insight. So it's anyways. So this is how it works. And this is definition has been done. So अब ये जो sample हमने derive किया वो कहाँ पे जाएगा? So I'm just now coming out of data analysis and moving on to voucher verification. Because sample will be designed for, see now this is the dashboard, verification of vouchers, percentage of sampled voucher, and see related party transactions. We have defined that brother is a proprietor. So here the report comes, related party transactions. So just press enter and see. There are 1 or 2, 3, 4 already defined people, sundry creditors. तो उनसे इतना परचेस किया है वो पर्टिकुलर लेजर में जाके फिर आपका इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिल जाएगा. Then there is a Ramesh, why unsecured loan? If any interest payment has been done to that person, so that payment can be form part of your report of 3CD. Okay. Forex transaction also specified है किसी ने, तो वहां से वो भी आपको information मिलेगी. Now coming to sample which just now we defined. it is right arrow key, it is a toggle key. So I'm just coming now left and enter. So here it is sampled and verified, all counts will come. देखो Benford all vouchers हमने कहाँ डिफाइन किए थे? जर्नल, ये मेरा डेबिट नोट में मैंने किया है 7 वाउचर्स, ये देखो all journals are there, and if anything done you need to just put note the way I said, just enter करना है, verify करना है, okay करना है, जो भी लिखना है नोट वो आप वहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. 75,000 you want some agreement to be checked, so you will press enter, external clarification agreement required, copy required. So कुछ भी आपको उनसे चाहिए तो आपको उनको भेजना है. ये एक दो भेजने के बाद हम उनको कैसे दिखेगा, let's see how it will look to them also. So this is something here specific, ये manually sampled vouchers, जो भी हमने खुद चेक करके रखे उसको मैन्युअल सैंपल में लेके जाएगा. स्पेसिफिक पीरियड सेल्स, हमने जो पीरियड डिफाइन किया होगा उसमें से भी आप वाउचर एक्सट्रैक्ट करके कर सकते हो. So what I'm trying to say is that please make use. Virag also in start of the session he said कि whatever you learn, unless you put into practice, it will vanish. Nothing can remain in your permanent memory till you keep on repeating and keep on using it, and that too productively using it. So इतने सारे हमारे external clarification यहाँ पे पड़े हुए हैं. Let's see from the user point of view कि उनको कैसे समझ में आना चाहिए. तो एक है स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अकाउंट, उसमें हमने देखा था ये टैली ऑडिट, तो ये तो हो गया अलग से. अब मेरा मेन्यू कहाँ जाएगा, सामने वाले को कहाँ दिखेगा, वेयर शुड ही गेट? उसका ना एक नाम, एक तो चेंज. एक्चुअली फॉर मी ऑल्सो ना स्विचिंग ओवर फ्रॉम ERP 9 टू प्राइम इज ऑल्सो डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि जस्ट 2-3 मंथ ही हुए ना. सो वी आर ऑल्सो स्ट्रगलिंग टू रिमेम्बर. कोई पुराना इतना अंदर बैठा हुआ है तो राइट ऑफ करने को भी टाइम लग रहा है. एक्चुअली आई वाज ट्राइंग टू सी फ्रॉम द
मैडम
कंप्लायंस इंफॉर्मेशन. हाँ हाँ
जितेन मटेरियल.
हाँ जितेन भाई, कंप्लायंस क्या है भाई, बोलो ने जल्दी.
What you do, I think in this company you might not be having, but you have to log in through their password. Once they log in through their password, then they will see that external clarification. You have any users in this?
નહીં, એડમિન છે ને એ તો એને પોતાની કંપની છે ને. It is its own company.
It is own company, but when you are raising the query to someone, if you log in through his password, he will be able to see this clarification required.
Okay.
You have to log in through their password. So you create one. You have to create one login. Yeah.
આપણે અહીંયા યુઝર્સ એન્ડ પાસવર્ડ માં જઈએ અને વિશ્વનાથ છે ને અહીંયા આગળ ખાલી વી કરી નાખું.
You change his password. Yes.
અને હું ખાલી VI કરી નાખું છું.
Whatever it is, and then log in through his password.
સમજાયું.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out, પણ એ ક્યાં છે એ બી નતું સમજાઈ રહ્યું. Alt F1 company shut. Okay, now again I have to go to the company, select, specify path, control V, enter. 1213. એ વિશ્વનાથ નો સ્પેલિંગ યાદ નથી. આમાં જતો કે શું, મને વિશ્વનાથ તો મને હતું જ, ગડબડ કરી જ હું. एक तो आवड़ो मोटो स्पेलिंग है तो विश्वनाथ हसे. किसी को याद है क्या? रुको, अभी मुझे एडमिन करके जाना पड़ेगा. आई एम सो सॉरी. मैंने થયું જ કે आई विल फॉरगेट हिज नेम.
विश्वनाथ, VISHWNATH.
अरे એટલું બધું યાદ ન રે મને.
છે ને ભાઈ, મને યાદ છે.
हाँ नहीं, मैं उसको विश कर देता हूँ भाई. इतना कौन याद रखेगा? हाँ, फटाफट करવું છે ને મને એટલા માટે. थैंक यू जितेन भाई इज F1 फॉर अस. F1 का मतलब होता है हेल्प मेनू. अरे यार क्या हो गया. हाँ, अभी मेरे को वापस कंपनी में जाके आई वांट टू ओपन, सिलेक्ट अगेन, स्पेसिफाई पाथ, कंट्रोल V. आनी पण कोई फास्टर मेथड हो तो बताओ भाई. VI કર્યું ને મેં ખાલી નહીં વિશ કર્યું ને હા ઓકે after this where you need to go display more reports स्टेटमेंट में જોવું જોઈએ इसको तो टैली ऑडिट का अथॉरिटी ही नहीं है देखो मने ई रिपोर्ट्स आई जस्ट वांटेड एक्सेप्शन रिपोर्ट्स
Go to analysis verification.
हाँ go to my analysis हाँ बस ये वर्ड જોતો તો analysis verification analytical
ને ત્યાં બહાર જ છે
નથી ને એને રાઈટ જ નથી ને પ્રોબ્લેમ
escape you escape there from there escape
हाँ
escape
हाँ
again yeah, analysis verification last exception after exception yeah voucher verification now this they want na you can see from here and once he gives the answer it will be they can see that the administrator can see that or auditor can see that so he has to reply from here
yes sir but from the same module only you mean to say
yes
एक मिनट मुझे तो कुछ थोड़ा सा वो लग रहा है एक मिनट yes
there is another way also but this is one of the way
okay sir ये ना इसमें खाली वो आपने यू नो आई एम सो यूज टू ओपन फ्रॉम दैट लिस्ट ऑफ द कंपनी ये थोड़ा सा मुझे वो हो रहा है और कुछ नहीं है द माइंड इज सो मच रिसेप्टिव दैट यूजर रोल्स मुझे देखना है वो अकाउंट हेड को क्या क्या दिया है days allowed इसमें तो બધું છે જ ને authority is given nothing has been taken away from him owner દે દિયા નહીં એને બધું આપેલું જ છે ને right is given to him so that's why I was
so make him make him owner or a data entry operator then you will be able to see that another head will be there instead of analysis verification it will be only voucher clarification
हाँ
make him data entry operator
okay understood let me try ये भी अच्छा है रिसर्च हो गया मेरा यूजर्स रोल यू मीन टू से कि मुझे अकाउंट हेड को 1 मिनट के लिए डेटा एंट्री कर दूं
हाँ
बेसिक फैसिलिटी और ये सेव मैंने कर दिया तो पाछू रीलॉगिन करવું પડશે
yes with wish and vi
okay
then that heading will change he will get only voucher clarification there
okay participants are thinking what is happening હવે આની પાસે તો ડેટા એન્ટ્રીમાં કોઈ રાઈટ જ ન હોય સર anyways this should have not been the case okay what I can do is this ideally મારા હિસાબે તો એડમિન જે હોય ને એને હોય જ ને and what you are trying to say me is that કે यहाँ पे वेरिफिकेशन आप भी डाल रहे हो इसलिए आपको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है ठीक है so we are on 7:55 કાલે તમારું સેશન થઈ ગયું ને સર now on a 5th day again I will come with that 5-minute slot you have to keep on a 5th day I will answer this on 5th day so all the participants today are requested to be present on a 5th day वो बोलते ना something is pending to be learnt
but na madam that payment performance na
हाँ
data it is in ratio analysis
एक मिनट ये बतावी दो ने I wanted to say
ratio analysis
बैलेंस शीट में जाऊं
नहीं ratio analysis
में गए
right hand side receivable turnover in days and their payment performance of data is there
हाँ okay
receivable turnover directly receivable turnover
receivable turnover in days આવે છે.
And then enter and payment performance of data is there. And you can click there.
Okay. So these can help participant. Just see. These reports they were asking how many days we have received the payment. So creditors ma bhi madi જાય ને average our rate છે. So 180 days वाला હોય तो they can just figure out ना કે આનું performance બહુ late જ આવે છે કરીને.
So you can whether he is paying with 3 days or 30 days or 90 days over a period you can come to know.
Receivable અને using actual bill clearance date and using receivable formula. Olu 3 દિવસ ના 186 days. Why this difference? That also need to be understand. Okay, cool. All the participants requested in today's full session. If you have any queries, kindly post your questions because by 8 we have to end the session. And thank you very much. All the participants who have kept the session alive by asking the questions. Krishnadas related party master configuration you need to just configure and then you will get that answer in that report. That main menu analysis verifications, there you got that answer. Why specify path? तो पाथ के बिना तो वो तो कहाँ से आगे मैंने क्या किया है मेरा सी ड्राइव अगर F12 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में हम लोग डिफाइन कर देते डेटा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में पाथ तो then that path only will open in Tally. The previous or Tally also used to keep the specific path, no? So Virag sir, yes, we can use. And one more thing I wanted to add, as of now, start using 1 or 2 companies in Prime. ERP9 is parallelly working. So some company which is not migrated will work on ERP9. Which you migrated, you work on Prime. So get feel of Prime. So 1st April say if you want to move all the companies to Prime, you can do that.
Thank you so much, madam.
Yes, that is from my side. Now Virag, over to you.
Yes, madam. So thank you once again, ma'am, for this wonderful session. I can say one of the very interactive session. You are using the question tab along with that, na? And at the outset, I mean, Jiten sir also join and detail analysis. So I would like to tell everyone that Jiten sir attending all the session. Despite he's a trainer, he is giving his full time for the other session as well. The passion of Tally we can see of Jiten sir. So thank you so much, Jiten sir, for presenting today as well. And you are presenting all the days. We can see your passion for Tally, sir.
Yeah, I was here to hear Vanna madam.
Oh,
yes.
My proud.
Her style is unique.
Yes, absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Yes.
I hope you liked, sir.
Yes, definitely. It's very really good, and you got maximum things. Yeah.
Thank you.
And like you told, Tally Prime is a new thing, so at least there are few things that we are also learning day by day.
Sir. Yes, sir.
And we also contact each other and ask whether kidhar gaya, kaun si jagah pe, which report is in which head. So they have shifted few heads somewhere else reports, so that's why there is an issue. But now, once we are through with these 3-4 months, automatically everything will be covered.
That is fine.
Yes.
That's what the practice makes men perfect. Women are already perfect. Anyways, just on a lighter side.
So, in this continue way, would like to request all the participants to note down the Vanna ma'am's contact detail. You can reach ma'am later as well whenever you require. For the Tally or any profession related matters, ma'am is always available. Very passionately, ma'am is serving the CA profession. Would like to tell from last so many years without any self-interest. So thank you so much, ma'am, for that as well. and would like to request to share your contact detail, if possible, one more time on your screen, so that all the people and who will watch the recording, they can also note down your contact detail, ma'am.
Now, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. So all are requested to note down ma'am's number. Anytime you have any query, you can send a mail as well.
This is my mobile number, 9820029281.
And office number is also given by ma'am. So you can reach out to ma'am anytime. So thank you so much, ma'am, once again for this wonderful session. And thank you, Jiten sir, for your value addition.
Yes, anytime. I like Jiten Bhai's approach.
Yes, yes. Thank you, friends. So with this, we are concluding today's session, and we'll meet
Thank you.
tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Thank you, Jiten sir, once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Viraj. Thank you, Vandana madam.
Bye.
Thank you all.